In today's session, we'll explore how to implement Kubernetes and effortlessly scale your applications. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Let's break down the core components: pods, nodes, clusters, and deployments. You can opt for managed services like GKE, EKS, or AKS for a streamlined setup, or choose a self-managed approach using tools like Kubernetes. Begin by containerizing your application using Docker to ensure consistency across environments.
Define your application's configuration with Kubernetes manifests written in YAML. Deploy your application to the cluster using the kubectl command line tool. Adjust the number of replicas in your deployment manifest to scale your application manually. Implement horizontal pod autoscaling to automatically scale pods based on resource utilization. Use services to expose your application and manage internal and external traffic effectively. By following these steps, you can deploy and scale applications seamlessly with Kubernetes. Explore advanced features and best practices to further enhance your deployments. Schedule a meeting with Kubernetes team.